Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install your wigs the most easiest, simplest way, and that's just using Got2b spray. Today I'm going to be featuring Mscocohair. This is their 24-inch wig. All the links will be in my description box. I think this is 24 inches. If it's not, it's probably 22. It looks like 24, so yeah. I did pluck and bleach the knots of this, so if you get your wig and it's not plucked and bleached, that is why. And I cut off the ear tabs, so I am going to link a video on how to cut off your ear tabs in my description box as well. And I already put my foundation color in the lace, so all I'm going to do is put this on my head and demonstrate how I tack it down. Alright guys, so I'm just going to put this wig on. Make sure that you adjust the bands on the back and make sure you cut off your ear tabs so it's going to lay nice and flat to your head. And I'm just making sure everything is laying really nice. Then I'm going to use my Got2b spray and just spray onto the lace, and I feel like this helps it like be more, let me say, like penetrated, not really penetrated, but like it melts through because it's melting from the top of it to the inside. So I feel like this is really good. So that's all I'm doing right here. I make sure that I'm combing it out just so it doesn't get too stiff in like the wrong position or whatever, because you know Got2b gets really stiff, so you don't want that. Alright, so now that we're done, we're just going to blow that and make sure you had combed it going back. I'm just going to cut my lace off. I'm using my eyebrow razor. I always use this. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just using the eyebrow razor to make sure that it's like jagged. And I didn't really want to do too much with this install. I just wanted to show you guys a different way than using glue and stuff. But in the summertime, this is not going to be realistic because you don't want your wig sliding off. Because if you sweat, this will lift up. This is like a quick fix for if you're going out to lunch or something in an air-conditioned place and stuff like that. If you're going to be outside in water or sweating, you don't want to use this method. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just going to part out my baby hairs, and I'm going to use an elastic band just to give my wig some tension so it can melt. Okay, so now I'm using my Fuji mousse just to mold my hair, and I'm just combing that through, and I'm going to put it in a ponytail. I could have sat under the dryer, but it wasn't really necessary, so I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. And I went and I chilled for like 40 minutes, and then I came back, and yeah. So that's all I'm doing right here. And then I'm just going to use my hot comb just to lay that down a little bit more. And make sure that the mousse is dried when you're doing this, because it actually is going to steam up. Right there you can see I plucked the hair a little bit too much in that one spot, but yeah. So here I'm just plucking the baby hair so it can be a little bit more natural, and I'm going to lay it down with some mousse. I like doing this because it's really like soft. It makes the baby hair soft. I also like using my Got2b gel if I know I want my baby hairs to last for a really long time. But yeah, and you can only see the cap through the lace right there because I'm just wearing like a light cap, and I over plucked the hair a little bit right there, so that's why you can see it. But if you do like the ball cap method, you're not gonna notice anything. Here I'm just blow drying it on medium temperature, and I'm also blow drying my hair because it was wet. So I'm blow drying the hair just so it can dry a little bit more. And yeah. Then I wanted a side part, so I make sure that the side part is like a L shape, just so it can like be really cute. If you look at Lyra Galore's Instagram page, you will notice how she be wearing her side parts. Beautiful. I'm using my Care wax stick and my Beyond the Zone heat protectant. So I'm just using that to make sure my hair is nice and flat and molded into like where I want it to be. This does not make your hair hard or make it weighed down. This heat protectant is the bomb. I'm using my hot comb I got from Amazon. My hot comb is going to be linked in my description box, and my wig stand and stuff, that's all in the bottom of my description box. So you can check my description box and you're going to find all the links to everything. I'm just making sure that it's nice and flat, and you guys see how flat that got, and so nice. Yep, this hair is actually really beautiful and it doesn't shed like that, so I really like this. So here I'm just going ahead and flattening that out. Then I'm going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn just to define my part. I kind of did the line too much on the baby hairs on the front, but that's okay. You could just wipe it off. So you guys see how that looks pretty. And then I'm just going in with my Babyless Nano flat iron. I am going to try to link this in the bottom as well. I just got this and it's amazing. I always wanted one of these. Yeah, this is basically the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the links to Mscocohair will be in my description box. And yeah, bye.